If you're tired of sweating through the summer or need an easy cooling solution without installing a permanent air conditioning system, a portable AC could be exactly what you're looking for. Today, we're reviewing the Coolblus 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner, a 3-in-1 portable air conditioning unit designed to cool rooms up to 550 square feet. It features 12,000 BTU cooling capacity, air conditioning, fan, and dehumidifier modes, along with a remote control, smart sleep mode, 24-hour timer, and a window installation kit included in the box. But does it actually deliver enough cooling to justify the price? Let's find out. The first thing you'll notice is its clean, modern design. The white finish blends well into most bedrooms, apartments, offices, and living rooms without taking up excessive space. Caster wheels make it easy to move the unit from one room to another, while the integrated side handles simplify transportation. The digital control panel is straightforward, and the included remote control lets you adjust settings from across the room. Overall, it's designed for convenience and everyday home use. Performance is where this portable AC is designed to shine. With 12,000 BTUs of cooling power, it's intended for spaces up to approximately 550 square feet, though actual performance depends on factors like insulation, ceiling height, sunlight, and outdoor temperatures. For bedrooms, home offices, apartments, studios, and medium-sized living areas, it can help maintain a more comfortable indoor environment during hot weather. The adjustable airflow and temperature controls also allow you to customize cooling based on your preferences. One of the biggest advantages of this unit is its versatility. Instead of serving only as an air conditioner, it combines 3 functions into one machine. You get air conditioning mode, fan mode, dehumidifier mode. The fan mode helps circulate air when full cooling isn't necessary, while the dehumidifier mode can help reduce indoor moisture, making rooms feel more comfortable during humid weather. This flexibility means the unit can be useful throughout much of the year. The Coolblus Portable AC includes several features designed to improve everyday usability. The Smart Sleep mode adjusts operation for quieter nighttime use and increased comfort while sleeping. The 24-hour programmable timer allows you to schedule when the unit turns on or off, helping improve convenience and potentially reduce unnecessary energy use. The included remote control makes adjusting temperature, fan speed, and operating mode simple without getting up. Installation is relatively straightforward. The included window installation kit allows most users to set up the exhaust hose without purchasing additional accessories. Routine maintenance is also simple. The included cleaning brush helps remove dust from the filter, and regularly cleaning the filter can help maintain airflow and overall performance. Following the maintenance instructions in the user manual will help keep the unit operating efficiently. Overall, the Coolblus 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner offers a strong combination of cooling performance, convenience, and versatility. Its 3-in-1 functionality, user-friendly controls, portable design, and straightforward installation make it an excellent option for renters, homeowners, apartments, bedrooms, and home offices. If you're looking for a portable AC that can help keep your living space comfortable throughout the summer while offering additional fan and dehumidifier functions, the Coolblus 12,000 BTU Portable Air Conditioner is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Where would you use this portable AC first? Your bedroom, living room, home office, or apartment?